In your vehicle, do you have an issue with your fan blower either being noisy, rattly, or just not sounding normal? Or maybe the blower setting doesn't work on one of the levels. In this vehicle, I have that issue with the blower being very noisy. And depending on how I turn the vehicle, it may be louder or quieter. So I'm going to replace the blower in this video, and I'll also show you the blower resistor if you're having issues with one of the level settings. So I'm going to head back to my garage and we'll get started. Before I put this blower motor fan in the car, what I want to do is test it out. Not every part can be tested in this way, but in this case I can do it easily just by using a 12-volt battery and some alligator clamps. And I'll show you how to do that now. On the back side there's a connector, positive and negative, or vice versa, it doesn't matter. I can hook up my one wire to one of the terminals and the other wire to the other terminal. And it's going to spin quite a bit when I hook it up to the battery, so I'm just going to clamp it lightly into the vise. And then I just have a 12-volt battery that I have two terminals out, and as long as I don't touch those terminals right now together, I am fine. Hook up the alligator clamp to one side, and once I hook it up to the other side, it should spin and spin freely. And that's an easy test to do before I go and try to put it in the car, spend my time doing it, and then just finding out later that it doesn't work. So now it's time to install it into the vehicle. Most of these blower fans are up under the rider's dash, and on this Pontiac Vibe, that's no different. And in this case, it doesn't look too bad. It has 3 bolts to remove, and I'm going to do that now. And the blower motor's out. I'm gonna go grab the new one. This one happens to be a very easy install. Now don't forget to plug in the electrical, and that's it. Alright, we have the new blower motor in. Let's test it out and see how it sounds. It sounds like the rattle has gone away, but there's just a little bit of buzz that I can hear. Maybe from this angle you can hear it a little bit better. So what I'm going to end up doing is returning that blower motor. It does sound better than the one that I have, but it's not as quiet as I'd like it to be. Due to the noise that the new blower fan was making that I installed in the Pontiac Vibe, I went ahead and reordered from another manufacturer. Once installed, the noise level was acceptable and I'm happy with the installation. If you felt this information in the video was helpful, please go ahead and give us a like. And if you'd like to subscribe, you'll get the latest notifications when new videos come out. Also below, if you have any questions or comments, I'd be happy to answer them for you. And again, thanks for watching.